Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. Today's video is brought to you by Sensational. I do want to say a huge thank you to Sensational Hair for sending over today's unit. Today's unit comes from their Butta Lace collection. This one's in the style Butta Unit 13 and I have her in the color the B Gold, you guys. So before we jump into today's video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I upload if you feel like it. And then follow me on my socials, so they'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So my goal is to not touch the unit so much because I noticed a lot in my videos. Once I get finished with installing a unit, honey, I'll be running my hands through it like crazy. So I'm gonna try to keep my hands to myself and not keep running my fingers through my hair. But first we'll start off with a rating of this unit. I really like today's wig. I rate this unit a 9.5 out of 10. So I'm gonna start off with some of the start card info. So like I said, it does come from their Butta Lace collection. This one's in the style Butta Unit 13 and it's safe for you to use heat on up to 400 degrees. It has a wider parting space and it has ear-to-ear lace. The parting space that you get is just strictly the right side of the part, so you cannot adjust this unit and make it into a middle part or a different side part as far as like a left side part. This unit also comes in a bunch of other colors, you guys. So if you're not feeling this Be Gold, they do have other color options for you to try out. And this unit also comes with HD lace, you guys. And it also has a pre-plucked hairline that includes some baby hairs as well. So I did rate today's unit a 9.5 out of 10. So let's go ahead and jump into the reasons why. First of all, I love how they did the colors in these units. I like how the gold is right there in the front, so you get that little hint of color right there in the front. It's not hidden or shown throughout the entire wig. It is sitting right here at the front, which I absolutely love. I also really like the density and length of this unit. They actually blend very well together. You get a really good density as far as it being full throughout the entire unit. I feel like it falls at the probably about a 14-16 inch range, but it's also very full at the end with the curls. And also, to jump into the curls, y'all, these curls are holding like no other. Your girl combed them out, brushed them out, finger combed them out, and as you can see, they are here to stay, which I actually really like, because obviously the more you wear the unit, it'll probably wear out some, but I like that I combed it so much, brushed it so much, and finger combed it so much, and the curls are still here and popping. And to piggyback off of finger combing it as well as combing it and brushing it, y'all, it shedded just a little bit, but it was very minimum, which I appreciated, because with me doing all of that, I really thought it was probably going to be shedding galore, but it was not. So that's another pro about it. I had no tangling issues with it. Sizing wise, this cap size fits really good. I have some room back here in the back, like so much room. I could actually use the adjustable bands in here to make it tighter, and it probably would fit a whole lot better. Now, I did go in and freeze spray the front, but if I was to tighten up the adjustable bands in the back, I'm for sure I could wear this unit without any like additional holding products, and that's always a go-to for sure. I know a lot of people want to just be able to throw their wigs on and head out the door, and you could definitely do that with this unit. It does have the combs right here in the front, and then you have this one little parting space, and then you have some combs in the back as well, so you have that security option built into the wig as well. Now let's get into the Butta lace. Okay, I feel like that's something a lot of people will be interested in. I did use tint spray as well as makeup on the lace that was going to be, you know, visible and showing on my forehead, because the lace does come out more so it's transparent, but it kind of has a little yellow hint undertone to it, so I knew if I installed it just like that, you were going to get some of that little halo of the yellow. Now with my product that I added, the lace literally is undetectable. I do like that the lace was thin too, so I feel like it helped melt into the skin more, since you had a more thinned out lace. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see exactly what the hairline is looking like. This is what the hairline is looking like. I did do a little swoop here as well as here. I added just a little bit of makeup into the parting space right here just to open it up a tad bit. I also used freeze spray right here at the front because I wanted it to lay flat and stay flat, as well as give me a little bit of height right here in the front, so my bang would fall a little bit differently. And then over here, it's kind of coming up some since I didn't use as much product here, but I did kind of pull the ear tab down a little bit and make it where it goes behind the ear here. But I do think the lace did its job. It did what it, you know, was claimed to do. It blended into the skin, it melted into the skin very well. I feel like my lace is undetectable, but you guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. Of course, I would love to hear what you think. Also, y'all, the texture of this unit is A1. I love how this unit feels. It's not too shiny, it's not like baby doll hair or anything like that. It's like a perfect feel to it. I love running my fingers through it. It's not a yucky texture, but it's like that semi in between. And I'll also give you guys a 360 of the unit. As far as like where I would wear this wig to, I think this wig is definitely appropriate for the office. My plans are actually to wear this to work. You could also wear this out for a quick little night out with your friends, date night. Not necessarily probably like a errand running wig. I wouldn't wear it for that because it is kind of did up. I feel like this unit is more so dressed up material or wherever you're going. But that's all the pros I have about the wig. Look at me, I'm already touching my hair. Cons, y'all, I really don't have any. I'm trying to think of anything that I might have went through with my installation process, but that's all I have about today's wig. If you guys have any questions about it, make sure you leave it in my comment section below and I'll answer it for you. Thank you again to Sensational Hair for sending over today's unit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.